Hello, are you ready to read? This book is called German Shepherds. What does that mean? It means what kind of dog they are. This is the table of contents. You know, the list that has different subjects with the page numbers. These dogs are very special. Are they small? No, they're huge. These dogs like kids. And these dogs are very strong and smart. German Shepherds help protect. They do lots of work. These dogs are very special. These German Shepherds can be work dogs too. What do? 3 different things. First, they can help on the farm, or they could help police officers, or they can help in the military. These dogs are lots of different colors. Sometimes they're black, sometimes they are brown, sometimes they're mixed. And their ears are very tall. And their tail is curved up. And they are huge dogs. They're very heavy. These kinds of dogs, do you think they bite mom and dad and the kids and they're mean? No. These dogs are nice. They're very sweet. They like to give kisses and love kids. They help protect. But they have to obey the mom and dad. These dogs do lots of work. Remember what 3 kinds of work they do? They can help on the farm, the police, or the military. They are good helpers. What do? They sniff. They help keep people safe. Maybe if a person is blind, they can't see anything, the dog helps guide them. What else can these dogs do? Well, if a building collapsed, maybe a boy or a girl is stuck underneath and they need help, I'm stuck. You can use a dog to go sniff and search for the boy or girl. And when they find them, they can bark, and the police officer or firefighter can come dig them out and help save the people. How old is this dog? It's 3 years old. They can work with the police and military too. Sometimes they're in movies too, where they're in movies where they can run around and be an actor. This dog was in an old TV. Yeah, in a movie, this dog can walk around. It's in different shows. It's an actor. What kind of dog is this? It's a German Shepherd. They are very nice dogs. Do they bite? Are they mean? Nope, they are nice. They have a lot of energy and they're really excited. They need to do lots of exercise and playing and walking. The end.